Further, we will study the Edaphic factors. Next topic of it is the soil reaction, the pH value. A neutral solution is one in which the hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion are equal to one another. If the concentration of hydrogen ion exceed that of the hydroxyl ion, the solution become acidic, and if the reverse is true, it is for the alkaline medium. The negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration is denoted as pH, small p and capital H. The neutral solution has a pH value of 7. The lower values of pH indicate the acidity and the higher value alkalinity. Soil pH has a direct effect on the vitality of the plant and on the nutrient supply. The protoplasm of the root cell is badly damaged below pH and beyond pH. Different species display characteristic tolerance limit and requires a physiological behavior with respect to soil pH. Microorganisms, for example, are extremely sensitive to acidity. Bacteria thrives in alkaline medium and are damaged below the pH 6. Whereas most vascular plant can exist between pH 3.5 and 8.5. Soil may be neutral, acidic or alkaline depending upon whether the basic salt are equal to the acidic component or are less or more than that. In place where rainfall is heavy, the soluble basic salt like calcium bicarbonate, etc. are leached from the surface soil by percolating water and the soil solution turned acidic. The chemical changes in the mineral component, the decomposition of organic matter, the biological activities of the microorganism are also responsible for contributing to the acidity of the soil. Acidic soil may have a minimum pH of value of 3 to 4. Neutral or slightly acidic soil are best for the growth of the majority of plant. Certain varieties of cultivated plant grow well in the acidic soil, whereas many leguminous plants have very poor growth on such soil. The pattern of vegetation in the acidic soil are in the extremely acidic soil like that means more than pH more than 3.7, lichens and low shrubs grow. In highly acidic soil, that means 3.7 to 4.5, black spruce, hemlock, beeches, etc. grow. In acidic soil, 4.5 to 5.5, coniferous tree, northern deciduous trees grow. In slightly acidic soil, that means 5.5 to 6.9, deciduous forest. Neutral or alkaline soil in the range of 7 to 8, grassland plant. Grassland, this type of vegetation grows in different types of different pH of the soil. Soil acidity may be corrected by supplying lime to the soil in the form of limestone, that is calcium carbonate, dolomite, that is calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate, etc. Soil acidity beyond a particular limit is injurious to plant growth. There are several reasons for the harmful effect of the soil acidity. First is the high acidity may be toxic to the plant. High acidity interferes in the absorption of several nutrients. Decomposition of organic matter by the microorganism may be reduced. The activity of nitrifying and nitrogen fixating bacteria may be checked. Solubility of certain essential nutrients like calcium, magnesium, etc. decrease reducing their ability. The crop structure of the soil is lost and therefore water, air and temperature conditions do not remain favorable for soil growth. The soil which have alkyl reaction are rich in salt like calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, etc., which neutralize the acid of the soil. Alkalinity result in the crumb structure of the soil, which is very good for the growth of the plant. The soil nutrients are readily available to the plant and the organism of the soil have an optimum activity. Majority of the cultivated crop, however, favors soil with a pH close to the neutrality. Salt and the saline soil. Saline and the alkaline soil. In arid, dry, exposed place where rainfall is low, drainage is poor and temperature is high, a water evaporates quickly, leaving behind the soil, especially in the lowland where water had accumulated temporarily. Soil also accumulate in high concentration in lowland bordering the ocean. The accumulation of soluble salt is called alkaline irrespective of the fact whether their reaction is alkaline or otherwise. Soil with alkaline are termed as alkaline soil. The salt are normally chloride, sulfate, carbohydrate, nitrate and potassium, magnesium and sodium chloride and nitrates of calcium. Chloride, nitrate and sulfate have a neutral reaction. Excess of these salts results in the formation of white incrustation on the surface of the soil. Such a soil is termed white alkaline. Such soil are also called salty or saline. Carbonates of sodium and potassium are the only salt which have alkaline reaction. Soil containing excess of them are called as black alkali because these salts produce dark color incrustation by their solvent reaction on the organic matter of the soil. Excess of soil is injurious to the plant. The salt do not favor vegetation at all. In such area, only few species have been found to survive. Such plants are termed as halophyte. The main harmful effect of concentrated salt is on the water absorption process of the plant. Though water is present in plenty, it is physiologically unable to the plant because of its high osmotic concentration. The halophytes have therefore adopted several geomorphic characters to check water loss due to transpiration. The alkali soil can be corrected either by mechanical or chemical method or by salt tolerant plant. Growing salt tolerant plant. Thank you.